Hi, my name is Garma. So today we are going to talk about my life-changing journey. As you know, I've always been in this struggle of losing weight, but right now lockdown is being a motivation for me because I'm a person who is uh, who is a believer of social distancing. I think so. It works differently for me, and I keep myself motivated throughout the day, and this is the perfect time for me to use it, and even anybody can do that with me. So I have taken up a 30-day challenge for myself. For 30 days, I will be doing a jumping rope exercises. I am doing another one as well, but this is going to be very constant, and I wanted to see the effect of jumping because others are like sometimes I do them, sometimes I skip them, sometimes I change them. So the continuous effect of jump rope I wanted to see. I have already past 7 days and I have not left the jumping for a single day. So this is like one achievement for me because in my whole life I have never done 7 day workout. To be very frank, I have always skipped 1 or 2 days in a week. Like that I have done, and it was always an excuse for me that इतना तो चलता है 4 टाइम तो कर सकते हैं. But this time I was like, no, I am too much overweight, I'm obese, and I have to do it, and this is the perfect time for that because doesn't have anything in mind right now. I have no tensions, so I can do it. So I wanted to share my experience of the 7 days, initial 7 days, how it was and what I felt and how it worked for me or it worked not for me. So let's get started. Talk about the target I fixed. Before that, the target I have fixed for every day is that I am starting a new challenge, fit into kurta, and we all have so many clothes and kurtas, especially an Indian woman I'm talking about, that we have kept in the Almira like from ages. That challenge every second week means in every 14 days. So for the first day, I kept my target 500. I know it's like too much, but I wanted to push my body is like a mind game, and if you will not push it, I think मेरे लिए तो it doesn't work. If I think या देखते हैं body को कितना मिलता है या कितना कर पाते हैं, तो मैं तो 100 भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी शायद. So I decided that I'll reach up to the target of 500, and on the first day I could reach 375, which was a good target. And then for the second day again, I think I almost done same amount of ropes, but to be very frank, it was very difficult on the second day. I don't know, I felt like it was some like muscle soreness or heaviness in the overall body, or it was due to hormonal shoot in my body. So I was not able to move my body as I was able to do on the first day. So I thought that second day would be better, but it was worse than the first day. But I thought of let it go and tried keep going. For the third day, I think I reached around 425, and it was much better than the second day and the first day. I was at ease. Changes I made in the course of 7 days. So I started using from the 4th day. I got some comments on in Instagram that I should use shoes while doing jumping, which I think was correct. And I thought of I have few running and jumping shoes, so I thought of using them. And I started on the 4th day. In the 5th day, and that day I changed my target, and it was 600. I reached my 600 target. It took me like half an hour. Now comes the 7th day. I could see that there is some difference in my body. I could see some inch loss, and the body was shaping up from thighs, hips, and low waist, even the hand area. And yeah, I could see some changes, and my body was getting into shape. Then what were the collateral consequences? So one thing I was sure, as target were not easy and I have to push my body to reach, which has also brought pain in some parts of my body. Though in 1 month I have lost 7 kgs, but in this 7 days I have lost 2 kgs. So this 2 kgs of weight in this 1 week is an additional effort of my own, which I wanted to point out. Even I lost like 1 inch from my waist area and half an inch from my thighs area and hips area. As you have seen in the thumbnail photograph, and this is here again, I'm putting it. Exercise gives you a glow. So girls, get started and be happy. Bye, and stay at home and stay safe. Bye.